Welcome to MooMooMath and Science. In this video, let's go over how to simplify square root 4500. Let's begin with a factor tree to get all the prime numbers that multiply together or make up 4500. So let's begin with 25 times 180. Now we can factor 25 by 5 and 5 because those multiply together. And they're both prime numbers, so let's circle them. Then we have, let's go 2 times 90 equals 180. Circle the 2 because it's prime. Now I know that 9 times 10 equals 90. Neither one of those are prime, but I know 3 times 3, they're prime. So I'll circle them, and then we have 5 and 2. So now we're down to all the prime numbers. I like to put all the prime numbers back under a square root sign. So let's go through this carefully. We've got 5 and 5 and 5. So we have 3 5s. 1, 2, 3. And then it looks like we have 2 2s. 1, 2. And then it looks like we have 2 3s. Now, since it's a square root, we can pull out pairs. So here's a pair of 5s. And then here's a pair of 2s. And a pair of 3s. And we have 5 left under the square root sign. Now 5 times 2 is 10. And then 5 times 2 is 10. And then 10 times 3 is 30. Square root 5. So there it is, simplified. I hope that was helpful.